Hello everyone and welcome to the Module 6 of the Pre-UIP Preparatory Mathematics course. I am Rachel and together with my colleague Erwin, we are excited to guide you through this topic on the methods of factoring polynomial.
Understanding how to factor polynomials is important for simplifying expressions and solving equations efficiently. In this module, we will explore various methods that allow us to factor polynomials. Particularly, students will be able to develop proficiency in common factoring methods such as factoring by greatest common factor, factoring by grouping, and factoring trinomials. Recognize patterns and structures within polynomial expressions to determine appropriate factoring methods, and apply the methods of factoring polynomial in a real-life scenario.
We encourage you to actively engage with the content, pause when necessary to work through exercises, and revisit challenging concepts to ensure a thorough understanding. Without further ado, let us begin with this definition. If a polynomial is the product of other polynomials, then each of the polynomial in the product is called a factor of the original polynomial. For instance, x squared minus 25 can be factored to x plus 5 times x minus 5. Hence, x plus 5 and x minus 5 are factors of x squared minus 25. The process of finding factors of a given polynomial is called factoring. Now, here are some common methods of factoring polynomial. Number one, we have factoring greatest common factor or GCF. This involves identifying the largest number that divides evenly into all the terms of a polynomial. Number two, factoring by grouping. It involves grouping the terms into pairs, factoring out the common factor from each pair, and then identifying and factoring out the common binomial factor. Third is factoring trinomials. It involves breaking down a polynomial with three terms into the product of two binomials. Now, here are some remarks. 1. A polynomial is said to be prime if it has no polynomial factors other than 1 and itself. And 2. A polynomial is in completely factored form when each of its polynomial factors is prime. Remember, the key to mastering these methods of factoring polynomial lies in understanding when and how to apply each one effectively. And number 2, always check if your answer can be further factorized to ensure your solution is fully simplified and complete.
In the next video, we will discuss about the first method of factoring polynomial, which is factoring greatest common factor or GCF. See you!